Good morning from High Hills Homestead today, guys. We got the Smart Fence 2 here. We're going to show you what it looks like completely out of the box today. So you guys can see how you get it, how you set it up, what comes with it, and what you need as well. We've already had these set up now, and they are awesome. I highly recommend them. Very easy to move if you're doing rotational grazing, or even if you're going to keep them there for a while. This makes setup and tear down a lot easier, a lot less time. So we'll go ahead and get to unboxing it. All right, guys, first thing you want to do is open the bottom, and it says on the front of the box to just flip it upright and then lift up. You might have to shake a little bit. Might have to talk to it a little bit. Come on, please. Come on, get out of there. It's got a little bit of styrofoam or something holding it, or the boxing. And there she is. Let's take and you'll notice the handle comes separate. They can't fit in the box with the handle on there. You'll see this little pin here. You simply take this pin out, line this up, slide the handle on. I did notice last time you do have to loosen this a little bit, the tension rod, so that you can get a little more of the rod through to get to the ring hole. So just keep that in mind. You'll most likely have to do that, and then just get it to where the ring will, there we go. Slide the pin in. Now you got your handle all attached. Now would you look at that? That makes you say, oh wow, that's neat. So we'll go over some of the features. It's got these little lockers for the pins here, for your stakes. So when you are putting it away, you could snap these back in place and they're not just wagging everywhere. And then you actually just put the other part of the string down here, and this is a tensioner, so you can loosen or tension. This here is your tension for your reel. If it's loose, that's when you're putting it out. And then when you're reeling it in, you put the tension all the way up, and then you'll hear the clicking, and then that's when you're got full tension to reel it tight. Now on this, it does have a nice sturdy stake, so when you are setting out your first one, you could just step on it and stake it in the ground. Loosen your tension all the way when you're setting out. And then we'll take your first rod, which is the one on the left hand of the unit. We'll take it out. And say this is where you wanted your fence to start. And since the tension is loose, you could pull it out. You could stake it. Say this is where you want your fence to start. Put it all the way in the ground. Take your pin out. If you're going to be going that way with it, you probably want some tension this way. You can tighten it a little bit. Or we'll just do straight this way since we're going to be pulling that way. And you just simply pull it on to the next. All right, guys, and just to go over putting it away, it is simple. It is that simple, just to pull it. So to put it away, you want to put your tension all the way tight, reel it in. You can stake it in the ground so you got both your hands. Pull this up, pull your pin up, lock your pin on here, lock it in place. Loosen this, tighten it to where it's nice and neat and don't get tangled. Then you just tighten it, put it on here. And it's got a locking thing right here where it locks right in place. Tighten it the rest of the way, and there you go. So this is really easy to use, guys. Some things I'd recommend. Obviously you need an energizer, which I have a video for my Gallagher. I have a solar panel powered energizer. I got a video on how to set that up as well. So you'll need an energizer. Another thing I get is extra stakes. This goes about 160 feet, which is a good distance, but you only get 10 stakes here. So I just get extra stakes and put them in between, about one in between, and that does a good distance. So I have 3 of these for my rotational grazing. When I'm not using any permanent fence, I'll use 2 of these at a time. And then to move to my next rotation, I'll use 1 of them. So that's why I have an extra one. So far I love it. We've set up a few times, and it's very neat. Makes things happen very quickly. And I just think it's an awesome design. Whoever thought of this is genius. So if you guys have any questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comments below. We'll answer them to the best of our knowledge. I will put a link in the description. We are Amazon affiliate. So if you do use that link, it helps us as well, helps the channel out, helps our family and our homestead to continue growing. So make sure you use that link if you plan on buying it. And also make sure you like and subscribe, guys. It helps grow the channel. And we'll see you guys next time.